I will talk about how I got betrayed by more than 20 people. Welcome back, guys. 2026, January the 1st. I hope you had a great Christmas, a great new year. I am back. First day of the new year, YouTube video released. I've got a lot of things I need to do this year. I've got a lot of points that I need to prove. I have some scores I need to settle, and I have some truths that need to be told. So for everybody out there that thought 2025 was interesting, 2026, there's a lot to be revealed. This Christmas was quite fun, actually. I had all of my extended family with Isabella's family round. I had my daughter's first Christmas. It was Cruz's, you know, he loves Christmas. He loves Christmas. He's like his mum, loves Christmas. And it was just a happy, peaceful time. I switched my phone off. I stayed away from social media. I re-energized, I put a plan together to make sure we move forwards correctly, make sure everyone's looked after in 2026 and we do the right things. I've got a few battles. I've got a few battles I need to fight this year. I've got one coming up in the next couple of weeks that I need to take care of, which I will take care of. And I need to grow my portfolio. I need to grow my businesses. I need to make my family happy. It was just a nice time to relax, reset, and get ready for what I want to do in 2026. Christmas Day, all prepared for everybody. Isabella's done her thing. The mother-in-law is doing whatever she's doing. We've got
blankets in the air fryer.
Guys, what's that here? What's this?
Cauliflower cheese. It hasn't got the.
Oh, it didn't look like cauliflower cheese.
Well, you can't
Roast potatoes. They're just for Rachel. Nobody else is eating them. Carrots
Pigs
and
in
turnips. Pigs in blankets. There's the boy. Oh my
She
God.
took that better than I thought. Oh, Christ! Christ, coming
You know this is going on YouTube, don't you, Rach? This is what the lounge looks like right now. Cruz has been on one. Christmas tree was decent this year. She only had 2 up. She usually puts like 5 or 6 up, but she didn't. And Cruzy has opened probably 30% of his presents. Callum's paying no interest whatsoever. Bruce,
so drunk.
you're not drinking out of those glasses until you're 21.
Yes.
And even then,
Yeah.
no alcohol, no tattoos, no drugs and cigarettes.
No tattoos.
Crazy. No, be careful.
Why is he trying? Rachel, where have you taught him to drink 2 at once?
Go on, Cruzy, baby.
When I grew up, our Christmases were good. We never really wanted for anything because mum and family got us what we wanted. What you've got to understand is that my upbringing wasn't what you guys think it was, okay? We're from a council estate, we working class, but we went through some really difficult times. I left home very young. I left home at 15 years old. I moved in with my nan and granddad. The reason I left home, and I left school as well, was because I didn't like my home environment. It wasn't good, wasn't nice. Some of the things that I saw happen in my childhood is the reason that I try to be the best dad that I could possibly be to Cruz and Capri. 2025 was a difficult year. We had a lot of setbacks, we had a lot of problems. And when I look at my children, I know that I have to make them very proud. I have to make Isabella proud. I have to make sure I stand on. A couple of things happened last year that I'm not proud of. You know, I've got to rectify them. But the one thing that we grew up seeing was a lot of violence. We've seen some things that children, as I was a child, should not see. Christmas Day, ready to eat. The rest of the family are in the living room. This is on.
What time? Saturday today would have been afternoon. Okay, see us this minute and stockings, so go in there. They fed in there. Right, Caroline.
We're going to the garden. There it is.
Yeah, we haven't got many snacks.
Is it me or does everything look a little bit overcooked? The betrayal. Now, this isn't about an individual. This is about multiple individuals over the course of the last 2 years that have, what I believe, betrayed me. Now, I'm never going to name them. So for you guys that have come here going, oh my God, is he going to say this? He's going to say, no, we don't do that. There's no names. We're not naming nobody. But the stories, they're stories that you either follow and listen. And if you've watched me for a long time, you'll be like, I remember that. I know that. I know what's going on there. I will talk about how I got betrayed by more than 20 people. Remember what I always say. I am not a victim, but I let 2025 slide. I let people do what they wanted to do. When you poke the bear reacts. Make sure you can back your shit up. Here he is, ready for Santa. You all excited?
Santa, I'm here.
And you've lost weight?
Yeah, lost 2 stone.
2 stone? You're the only Santa Claus in the world that's lost 2 stone.
Ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
I'm eating horse here.
Cruz is going to love this. It's drunk Santa. When you see me, you think tough exterior, mentally quite strong. He wears his heart on his sleeve. Hopefully that's what you see. And he's always just straight down the line. It is what it is, good or bad. Got to fix it, got to keep moving forwards. The reason I am the way I am is because me and my sister, we saw things that we shouldn't see, really, for children. So I'm not going to go too deep because January the 1st, I don't want to ruin anybody's start to the year. But you need to understand me as a person. So, you know, I've seen my mum beat up multiple times. I've seen my mum have a nose broke. I've seen my mum had her head whacked off a steering wheel. I've had my mum held down on the floor with, do you know the bars that you bend? They're like a fitness thing. I've had her choked on the bed with that, hit around the head with it. Yeah, you know, there's a lot of other things I can tell you, but we've seen and witnessed, not heard, seen and witnessed. And a lot of alcohol's involved. That's why, you know, this household is pretty much teetotal, pretty much. Obviously, I will have a pint of Guinness now and again, but never, ever, ever let it take over me because, you know, my nan used to say it brings out the devil in people, and she used to call it the blue devil. I am the way I am because of my upbringing, and it teaches me what not to do, basically, with my children. And, you know, as a better person, try and be the best person I can be, especially for my community as well. My property circle community is very important. And last year with all the stuff that happened to me, you know, a lot of people just decided, you know, maybe we don't want to be around Steve. A lot of people decided to stay. A lot of people wanted to leave. Now, hopefully a lot of people are like, oh God, we made a massive mistake there. So yeah, but I try and be the best person that I could possibly be. Boxing Day, early morning walk with the family. We are at a cafe for breakfast. Very, very, very peaceful today. So yesterday was a good day because I got to switch off for the whole day. 2025 has been a bit wild, to be fair, but if you're going to get to the top, it's never ever going to be easy, is it? And today I'm taking another day off where I'm going to relax, and then tomorrow I'm going to start doing what I do best. So join me for the rest of the day. All the family's down there, and I'll show you. Well, I used to live around here actually. So my old house is 5 minutes up there, and it's really nice to actually be back. This used to be on our doorstep. Now we live back in Birmingham, basically. It's not the same anymore because this was on our doorstep, and then when you walk out of our houses now, it's just constantly busy. And the one thing about living in these places, when you're out in the countryside, everyone's happy, smiling, giving way, saying good morning. When you're around the cities, everyone's got their head on the floor and just really upset and angry. So 2 different sides of living. Which one do I prefer? I'll tell you later. Now, I am doing a video every 2 days on YouTube. So I will be doing videos like this. I will be doing videos for education purposes, which is the most important thing for you guys out there. But I need you to know who I am. I need to reset. I need to show the world who I am as a person, so you can understand that you are, you know, interacting with a real person and not scripted or fake or nonsense or just the dreaming lifestyle that most people put out there. The videos are going to be quite hard-hitting. It's real life. Like, I've got a liquidation of a company going through at the moment, so that's going to be documented in the next 6 weeks because there's some bits and pieces I need to deal with there. I have a couple of litigation battles that are going on. When I say a couple, I have 3. They're quite serious, as in, like, people are applying some pressure, and you know, I need to navigate it correctly. I have another problem going on, which we'll discuss that in the next video because that one's quite a big one. I have a lot of projects that I need to finish. I have a lot of dreams and aspirations that I need to put into place to make sure that we move forwards correctly. But you guys are about to see behind the scenes of a real property developer and not this bullshit that you see on social media. But when I say that, there are great people in the industry. You just have to navigate through the shit and find the ones that you actually believe in. Back at the gym. 5th time in 6 days. I had 1 day off because I was tired. I injured myself. I didn't really. I was just in pain. My shoulders were hurting, so I took 1 day off. Going to the gym really helps me, especially when there's a lot of stress or I've got a lot of things that I need to do, and trying to navigate so many things can be draining. And the gym definitely gets me in the right frame of mind, and it lets me switch off for that hour and a half that I'm in there, where I don't use my phone, I don't consume any social media, I'm not dealing with emails. It's just me and my thoughts, and I'm really good at controlling my brain. My thought process is good. I can think about what I need to think about when I want to think about it. That's kind of like a rhyme, wasn't it? But yeah, the gym helps massively. So anybody that's under pressure, anybody that's got things going on, go and lift some weights. Go on the treadmill, go on the bike, switch off. Consume a podcast, watch a YouTube video, take your mind off whatever you're trying to navigate, and it resets you. That's my advice. I'm ending the video now because I want it to be a positive video. I want you guys to be uplifted. I don't want you to be dragged through the negative stuff all the time. We have to show the highs and we have to show the lows. It's so important to show the lows. We can all show Range Rovers and Ferraris and Lamborghinis and watches and big houses and everything. Everyone can do that, but I'm going to show you real life. I'm going to show you behind the scenes. I'm going to show you real knowledge. The reason why you need to follow me. I've made every mistake that you could possibly imagine. Every single mistake that you could possibly imagine on my journey so far. But I pick myself up, dust myself off, and keep moving forwards. So what better person to learn from? You need to join the property circle. You want to learn about flipping. You want to learn about BRR. You want to know how to not fuck up. I'm the guy that can teach you. I'm the guy that can get you the outcome that you desire, and I will show you over the next 12 months why I am, who I am, and why I am where I am in this life of property. 11 years deep, I've done exceptionally well, made a load of mistakes, but I'm just getting started. I'll see you on Sunday with another video. And guys, any questions that you guys have got, comment below and let me know what you want to see. Tell me what videos you want. If you got me something, or if you got something you want me to discuss in one of the other videos, tell me. I will make it happen. If you need a video explaining something, I will make it happen. The property education show is going to be delivered all the time on individual topics on this channel going forwards. So not only have you got lifestyle, motivation, education, knowledge, you guys get to pick the topics that you want me to discuss. So I appreciate the support. Please subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, share it across social medias if you dare. Remember, I'm not famous, I'm infamous. You either love me or hate me. It is what it is. Peace.